there's not much to say. Sometimes the silence guides our minds to move to a place so far away. The goosebumps start to race the minute that my lifetime meets your waist. And then I watch your face, put my finger on your tongue, cause you love the taste, yeah. These hearts adore everyone, the other beats hard as far. Inside this place is warm, outside it starts to pour. Coming down,